In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram Reels in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is first have CapCut downloaded and installed on your mobile device. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it up. Now, once you've opened up CapCut, I found the best and easiest way to make Instagram Reels is using CapCut's templates. So go ahead and click on templates at the bottom of the page here. And now from here, we've got a whole different range of templates we can use for our Instagram Reels. So if you have a scroll down, you'll be able to see some of the top trending Reels, etc. But up the top here, we can make some filters on these Reels. So depending what you want to do, if you want to do a photo Reel, collage type of Reel, or a video Reel, you've got both options you can do here. So what we want to do is click on the filters on the top left hand corner, and we can filter by a number of clips. So this could be photos or videos. So we can filter by 1, 2, 3 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 12, 20 clips, etc. You can change the duration, filter by duration. So if you want a reel to be 0 to 15 seconds, click that one, 15 to 30 seconds, etc. And also you got feature. So you got smart template, commercial use, or pro. If you don't have CapCut Pro, I will leave a link in the description so you can try it out for free for 7 days. All right, so for this filter, I'm going to filter by 3 to 5 clips and make the duration 15 to 30 seconds. And now I'm going to click apply. So go ahead and have a look at what type of template you want to use for your Instagram reel. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do this top one here. It's called a simplified video. So this is going to be a video type of reel. So I'm going to pause this video so I don't get copyrighted, but you can see what this reel is about. If I just, well, it's not going to let me drag this little slider across. So if I want to use this template, what I want to do is click on use template. And now from here, I want to pick 5 videos. So I'm going to use 5 videos. So I'm going to use this one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. And then from here, I'm going to click next. So yeah, you can see how it automatically adds your videos into this template here. And if you want to crop your video that's being used, what you need to do is just click on the template and then it will say crop. So go ahead and click on crop, and now move this slider left to right and choose what part of the video or the clip you want to use. So if I want to use the start, I'll use that. I want to use the middle, and then I'm going to click on crop like so. And if you don't like the audio, if you want to change the audio, you can change the audio as well. So click on audio, and you can see what's recommended here. Scroll down, or if you want to extract an audio from a video that's in your mobile device, go ahead and click on extract audio. If you want to add a sound, click add a sound, and then you can change the song or sound by searching for the song or artist here, or you can use commercial. And if you've got TikTok connected, you can search via TikTok. Got any saves, or you can check out extract audio from video. Again, that's there. So you can have a play around with that. And now once you're done, go back to your video, go ahead and click on export, and that's going to export it to your mobile device. And then go to Instagram, and then go ahead and upload your newly created CapCut Instagram reel to Instagram.